Hello, and welcome to Inspire Academy Beginner English. Today's unit is Unit 9, and it's about expressing yourself. My name is Sarah, and I'll be your teacher today. And so let's get started. So, expressing yourself. We're going to talk today about how to give your opinion or give advice, how to make a suggestion, how to talk about preferences, what you like, what you dislike, and how to ask questions and respond to questions politely. So here's an example, asking for advice and opinions. What do you think of the new office building?
In my opinion, it is in a better location. I can ride my bike to work now. I really like the new office.
I agree. I like the location too, but I think it is too big. Meeting people was faster and easier in our old office.
That was an example of someone wanting her colleagues or coworkers' opinions on a new office space. Now, what if you were asked to give your opinion? Why not practice? Think about the last time you went to a restaurant. What did you think of the restaurant? What did you think of the food at the restaurant? What about the last movie you went to? Did you like the movie? So you would say, if I would say, "Oh, can you give me your opinion or can you tell me what you think about something?" Then then you would say, "In my opinion," you would start your sentence with, "In my opinion," or "I suppose," or "I think," or "I believe. It seems to me that, in my view, from my perspective," or I feel that. So, in my opinion, I like the new building. I suppose the new building is nice. It's good enough. I think the new building is too big. I believe we didn't need to move into a new building. It seems to me that the new building is just too far away from my house, and it was just a waste to build that building. In my view, that building should have been built a long time ago. We really needed the room, and we're comfortable now. From my perspective, I moved from a very small office into a big office with a really nice window, so I'm happy. I feel that the new building is exactly what the company needed. So those are just examples. I feel that from my perspective. That's how you start your answers to the questions when somebody asks for your opinion. So here's an example. Say you're a company and you want to ask some customers what they think of your ice cream. You're a company that makes ice cream. So here's a question. Ice cream is delicious. Do you agree? Possible answer would be, yes, I agree that ice cream is delicious. What do you think what do you think should be in ice cream? Possible answer would be, I think ice cream should be made with eggs, milk, sugar, and vanilla. Question. Are you sure? Answer. Yes, I'm sure about this. I believe the best ice cream is homemade. How do you feel about vegan ice cream? In my view, vegan ice creams are better, or in my view, vegan ice creams are getting better. From my perspective, some vegan ice creams taste great. After tasting our ice cream, can you give us some advice? How did how did we do? It seems to me that you put too many ingredients in your ice cream. It changes the taste. So here's some not polite and polite phrases. So when you want something or you need somebody to do something for you, sometimes when you're just new to English, you use very simple phrases, but sometimes they can be perceived to be not polite, even though it's not your intention to be impolite. So here's our some not polite phrases that can be switched to be polite phrases. Okay. So I want a glass of water. Not polite. Polite would be, could I please have a glass of water? Send me, see me or send me a message. Polite would be, when you are free, could you please come and see me or send me a message? Not polite. You are wrong. That is a bad idea. Polite. I think you may have misjudged. I'm not sure that is a good idea. Let's discuss it. Not polite. No, I don't want it. I don't like ice cream. Polite. No, thank you. I appreciate your offer, but I do not eat ice cream. How to make a suggestion. Let's go to a movie. I'd like to see Fighters and Raiders. That's a suggestion. So here's another suggestion. I think there is too much fighting in that movie. How about a drama like The Flower Lady? Okay. Where do you want to go for vacation? Are you interested in Tahiti? That's a suggestion. Alternate suggestion. I prefer to go hiking and fishing and skiing. Let's go to the Rocky Mountains. What should I make for dinner tonight? The kids want burgers and pizza. I suggest we order pizza. How can I improve my English speaking skills? I suggest you practice speaking with a teacher at least once a week. You can also watch movies, listen to English podcasts and radio. Reading helps too. Okay, so let's go to ordering from a restaurant. So here is how you could order from a restaurant. You don't want to go to a restaurant, sit down, and say, I want a cup of coffee, or tell the server, get me a salad. No, that's not how you speak to the server. We need to be polite to the server, and the server needs to be polite to us. So here's an example. So Peter and Marie have decided to try a new restaurant. So they sat down, but they don't really know the menu that well. So the server came to them and said, hello, may I take your order?
Hello, do you have a lunch special?
Yes, we have chicken and potatoes for $10 and fish and chips for the same price.
What do you suggest?
I would order the fish and chips. That's our specialty.
Does it come with salad?
It comes with house salad, soup, or slaw. I would suggest the salad. It's fresh and delicious.
Great. I would like the fish and chips with the salad.
I would like to order the same thing.
Okay, thank you. It'll be right out. First, Peter and Marie greeted the server. Then they asked the server's opinion. What do you suggest? And she responded with, I would suggest. When they decided what to order, they politely said, I would like the fish and chips. Like or dislike. Okay, so after having the fish and chips and the salad, the server came back to Marie and Peter and asked them how they like it. How was your lunch?
I really like the fish. The chips were cold. That's why I didn't eat them.
Oh, so sorry to hear that. I will get you a fresh order of chips. How was your order?
I agree with Peter. I did not like the fries because they were not hot. I really liked the salad, though. It was fresh and delicious.
I'm very happy that you like the salad. I agree, it is tasty. I'm very sorry about the chips. I will get you a fresh plate of hot chips as well.
Great, thank you.
Thank you. It'll be right out. Peter and Marie liked the fish and the salad. They did not like the chips or the fried potatoes. So remember, when you're expressing your likes or dislikes, or you're ordering from a restaurant or asking something for anything from someone, try to use polite phrases like please and thank you. So read and answer the questions. Question 1. To order at a restaurant, we say to the server, I want water, get me water, or could you please bring me water? When we do not agree with someone, we say, you are wrong, I disagree, or I think you may be mistaken. Let's discuss it. Number 3. When we want someone to answer a message or to message us, we say, send me a message, send me an email, come and see me. Could you please respond when you are free? The answer is to order at a restaurant, we say to the server, could you please bring me some water? When we do not agree with someone, we say, I think you may be mistaken. Let's discuss it. When we want someone to answer our a message, to answer or message us, we say, could you please respond when you are free? And here is the class recap. Expressing yourself. We talked about how to give your opinion, make a suggestion, how to talk about your preferences, what you like, what you dislike, and how to ask and respond politely. Here are some questions if you wanted to ask somebody for their opinions or advice. You would say, what do you think? Do you agree? Do you think? Are you sure? How do you feel about? So finally, we looked at how to give your opinions, make a suggestion, ask for a favor, or order from a restaurant politely. That's all for today, and looking forward to the next class, and I hope you have a great day.